Okay, so in this video, we're going to finish up looking at angle relationships in circles. So we're going to look at what happens when the vertex falls outside the circle. So the vertex falls outside the circle when you have potentially a tangent and a secant, or you have two tangents, or you have two secants. So if you have any of these where the line falls or where the vertex of the angle falls outside the circle. So for example, if I sketch a circle, let's say that I have two secants. So we have A, B, C. And we'll call this B. Okay. So here I have two secants that intersect outside of the circle. If any vertex falls outside the circle, we can say that the measure of the angle is equal to half the difference of the intercepted arcs. So the measure of the angle is equal to half the difference of the intercepted arcs. Okay? So in this case, we have angle A. So the measure of angle A, the measure of this angle that has a vertex outside the circle, is equal to half the half the difference of the measure of arc BC minus the measure of arc DE. So if the vertex falls outside the circle, the measure of the angle is half the difference of the measure of the two arcs. So for example, let's say I give you a circle, and let's say I give you a secant, and I give you a tangent. And we call this A, B, C, D, E. Okay? And I want you to find the measure of angle A. So to find the measure of angle A, well, I have to know the measures of these two arcs. So if I tell you that the measure of arc BC is 678 degrees, and I tell you that the measure of arc DE is equal to 202 degrees, okay? So the measure of angle A would be equal to half the measure of arc DE minus the measure of arc BC. So the measure of angle A would be equal to half of 202 minus 78. Okay, so half of 202 minus 78, that is 124. So half of 124 degrees is equal to 62 degrees. So therefore, the measure of angle A is 62 degrees. Doesn't matter if the vertex is outside of the circle, then that means that this measure of this angle is equal to half the difference of the two arcs that are intersecting. Real quick, real short video on angle relationships in circles when the vertex is outside of the circle. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or Mr. Ard. Ask your questions in the email or let us know if you'd like to do Google Meet and we'll set one up with you. Until next time, we will talk to you later. Have a great day.